Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Machines Visit. Did you know that every year American farmers harvest nearly 400 million pounds of cabbage, including red cabbage, which plays a key role in food production across the country? With its vibrant purple-red hue and crisp texture, red cabbage is not just a popular ingredient in fresh salads, but also essential for producing tangy and crunchy sauerkraut. The journey of red cabbage begins in vast agricultural fields, where each plant is carefully grown under controlled conditions with proper sunlight, irrigation, and soil management to ensure healthy development. When harvest season arrives, modern machinery and skilled farmers work side by side to ensure that each cabbage head meets quality standards. Timing is critical because harvesting too early or too late can affect both texture and taste. After harvesting, the cabbages are transported to processing facilities, where they are prepared either for fresh markets or for fermentation into sauerkraut, a widely consumed side dish that is often served with meals or added to sandwiches for extra flavor and nutritional value. In addition to its culinary uses, red cabbage contributes significantly to the agricultural economy, generating millions of dollars annually in the United States. It is widely cultivated in states like California, where the climate supports consistent crop production. Typically harvested during the fall season, each cabbage head reaches an average weight of around 2 to 4 pounds, with tightly packed leaves that protect its inner layers and maintain freshness. Modern harvesting machines play an important role in large-scale production. These machines are equipped with precision cutting blades designed to cut the cabbage at the base without damaging the head. Depending on field conditions and crop density, these harvesters can process approximately 20,000 to 40,000 pounds per hour, making them highly efficient for commercial farming operations. After cutting, the cabbages are transferred onto integrated conveyor belts, where excess outer leaves are removed directly in the field and returned to the soil as organic matter. As the cabbages move along the conveyor system, workers positioned on the machine inspect and trim each head to ensure uniform size and appearance. This step is essential for maintaining quality standards before the produce is packed. Once prepared, the cabbages are loaded into large containers that can hold up to 60,000 pounds, allowing efficient transportation to processing plants. This combination of advanced machinery and human supervision helps improve productivity while ensuring consistent quality. In some cases, manual harvesting is still used, especially in smaller fields or where precision is required. Farmers use sharp knives to cut each cabbage close to the ground and place them onto conveyor belts attached to harvesting equipment. The cabbages are then collected and arranged into storage bins designed for safe handling and transport. This method helps preserve the natural color and freshness of the cabbage until it reaches the next stage. After being harvested from large fields where their deep red color stands out under sunlight, the cabbages are transported by trucks to processing facilities. Upon arrival, they are unloaded onto automated conveyor systems, where the transformation process begins. Some are prepared for fresh consumption, while others are processed further into products like red sauerkraut. The cabbages are first washed thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. After cleaning, they move into sorting areas where advanced systems evaluate their size, quality, and condition before further processing. This ensures that only suitable cabbage heads continue along the production line, maintaining high standards for both fresh produce and processed products at this stage. Advanced systems carefully evaluate the size, weight, and freshness of each cabbage. Those that meet strict quality standards are directed toward packaging and processing lines, while any that fall short are removed to maintain consistency and reliability across the final products. To meet the growing demand for convenience, a portion of the cabbages is sent into automatic cutting machines, where they are sliced into small, uniform pieces with remarkable precision. But the process doesn't stop there. After cutting, the cabbage is rinsed again, thoroughly, to remove any remaining dirt, plant residue, or tiny fragments created during slicing. This step is critical, because even the smallest impurity can affect both safety and quality. Once cleaned, the cabbage is carefully wrapped in protective plastic film. This packaging helps preserve freshness, lock in moisture, and shield the product from contamination during handling and transport. The packaged portions are then placed into cartons, sealed securely, and prepared for distribution, so they reach markets in optimal condition. In addition to pre-cut products, whole and half cabbages are also packaged. Each one is wrapped and labeled with essential details, such as packaging date, expiration date, and manufacturer information, ensuring full traceability from farm to consumer. This system guarantees that customers receive fresh, high-quality produce ready to be used in everyday meals. But this is where the story takes a different turn. Not all red cabbage stays fresh. A large portion is transformed into something entirely new, tangy, vibrant sauerkraut, through a process that combines traditional fermentation with modern precision. It begins with workers removing the outer leaves, keeping only the freshest inner layers with their deep red-purple color. The cabbages then move along conveyor belts toward a core removal machine, which quickly extracts the tough inner core without damaging the surrounding leaves. From there, the cabbage enters a high-capacity cutting system capable of processing up to 5,000 pounds per hour, slicing it into thin, even strips. Each strip maintains its natural color and texture, perfectly prepared for fermentation. Then comes the most critical stage, one that completely transforms a cabbage: fermentation. Over a period of 3 to 6 weeks, natural processes break down the sugars inside the cabbage, creating the signature sour flavor of sauerkraut, while also enhancing its shelf life and nutritional value. It's a slow transformation, but a powerful one. Once fermentation is complete, the product is transferred to automated packaging lines. It is sealed into vacuum bags, metal cans, or glass jars, each carefully designed to preserve freshness. The transparent jars, in particular, reveal the rich red color of the finished product, making it instantly appealing to consumers. After labeling and final inspection, the products are packed into cartons and shipped to supermarkets and stores across the country. And just like that, what started as a raw vegetable in the field becomes a ready-to-eat product on your table. From there, these jars of crisp, flavorful red sauerkraut find their way into homes, served at family dinners, added to sandwiches, or enjoyed during gatherings. It's a journey that reflects not only the power of modern agriculture, but also the balance between tradition and innovation. But the story doesn't begin at harvest. It starts much earlier. In spring, farmers begin preparing for a new red cabbage season. High-quality seeds are carefully selected and placed into specialized trays within controlled nursery environments. Temperature and humidity are precisely managed to ensure optimal germination. Within 10 to 14 days, healthy seedlings emerge, ready to be transplanted into open fields. Before planting, the soil is prepared using modern tilling equipment that loosens it to a depth of 4 to 6 inches, creating ideal conditions for root growth. Semi-automatic planting machines then place each seedling into the ground at the correct depth, ensuring proper spacing and stability. As the plants grow, automated irrigation systems deliver consistent amounts of water, preventing both drought stress and waterlogging. Farmers also apply essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus to support strong, healthy development. And after months of careful attention, the cycle repeats. So now you've seen the complete journey, from carefully planted seeds to the fresh and processed products on your table. Every head of red cabbage carries not just nutritional value, but also the result of precision, technology, and human dedication. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from the world of agriculture. We'll see you in the next one.